YouTube? It's Angry Bird Style channel. Today I got some special guests that just got updated, so let me go get them right now. Meow. Okay, some people just got updated. Ow! Shout. First person that got updated, well, not the first person I made, but yeah, the first person I made that got updated was, of course, Stella. Hey guys, it's Stella here, and I'm showing up in an Angry Bird Stella series. So let me show you my feathers, even though they're kind of reddish. My beautiful Kelly, my big, yeah, my blue eyes. Yeah, Now let me go somewhere else. Bye, guys. Whatever, I don't care, the number. But the second person, Poppy. Oh, guys, I love the prank. I'm gonna prank you next. Oh, no, you're not. Whatever. Third, Dahlia. I mean, not Dahlia, Willow. This is Willow with her hat on. This is Willow without her hat. Secret look. Secret look. Yeah. Now give me my hat. I don't care. Whatever. Dahlia. Oh, hey guys. I love doing science experiments. Oh, yeah. Teleport. Whatever. Luca. Hey guys. I'm Luca. This is my screen. Yeah, I'm showing up in the Angry Bird Stella series. Chuck. Yeah. What? Hey guys, it's Chuck here, and I'm showing up in the Angry Bird. I'm going to be in the Angry Bird Stella series for some of the episodes, but mostly in the Angry Bird episode. Say that booty, get out of here. Ow. Handsome, not handsome pig. Well, yeah, handsome pig without his hair on. Oh, what's my hair? Ah!
What?
Illusion pig. Illusion pig. I love Angry Bird Stella channel. Please follow him. So this is my new start of when a video of showing my face. Make sure you remember that. Bye guys, that's all for now. And bye. If you saw my new Angry Bird Stella episode 8, Lucas Hip Cups, that was updated by me. Bye guys, see you later. Peace out. Lucas, stop screaming!